welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are doing this gorgeous, super sexy, put together a Valentine's Day makeup look, and this video is in collaboration with Sharleens. She also created a Valentine's Day video. Actually, she created a few Valentine's Day looks, so if you guys want to check out her channel, she has amazing makeup looks. You guys are going to fall in love with her makeup. She looks so flawless. I'm going to put her YouTube link down below so you guys could check her out. Without further ado, if you guys want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. I've been using this Pixi Beauty Rose Oil blend. It's a nourishing face oil and it hasn't broke me out, so I feel like it works for my skin. I only put a little bit because I don't want it to interfere with my makeup. I just want it to soak into my skin. So for primer, I'm taking this newer primer from Covergirl. It's the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition Primer. It is a mattifying primer and I do like it because I feel like it makes my skin look smoother and it makes my foundation last all day. It's kind of like a cream. I just apply this to my forehead, to my nose, and a little bit in this area right here. For foundation, I'm taking the Loreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24-Hour Foundation in the shade 460. I've been liking this foundation a lot, actually. I just wish it was a little bit more yellow because it dries down and it looks more of a cool tone foundation. I always just dab all the foundation on my face. For concealer, I'm taking Fenty Beauty in the shade 210 and I'm going to apply it all over the place. I do like this concealer, but I'm gonna be real with you guys. I love the Shape Tape much more. I do like this one, but for some reason I feel like it creases. I've tried setting it with so many different powders and it just creases throughout the day and it makes my under eye area look dry. I don't know why, because this feels like more of a hydrating concealer than the Shape Tape, but the Shape Tape just stays put. It looks smooth. I don't have a problem with creasing with the Shape Tape and I just always keep going back to that concealer, but I don't have it at the moment. I am going to purchase it later on today because I just feel like it's so much easier for me. For right now, I am using the Fenty one, which I do like. It's a great concealer, but for some reason, like I said, it gets into my fine lines throughout the day unless I, you know, tap it or blend it out throughout the day. But Shape Tape, always looking smooth. It always stays put and I really like the Shape Tape. I'm going to use this one to contour, to cream contour, because I like the color. I'm just going to blend this out. This brush is by Milani, I think. No, Kiko Cosmetics. Kiko Cosmetics. But it looks good. It blended out nice. I love to have a bronzy forehead. And it looks really pretty. It doesn't look patchy or too drying or cakey. It looks good. It looks healthy and glowy. I'm just gonna blend out this side. And I like to blend it up. So it doesn't look bad. I feel like the color is good. It's not too orange and it's not too gray. Definitely look bronzier. So to set the rest of my face, I'm going to take the Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Powder Foundation. So this is a powder foundation and that's what it looks like. I tried this the other day and it looked really nice on the skin. And it just brightens everything up. If you guys are a fan of powder foundation and you're like medium to deeper skin tone, this guy's good. I like it. It has some more coverage and it mattifies everything. And I do apply it underneath my eyes because I feel like it's not drying. So with that same brush, this is the Kat Von D Shade and Light brush, the double-ended one. I'm gonna take this RCMA No Color powder. I don't want to have like crazy fallout, but I literally just slightly tap it to my skin As long as we got powder on there, we'll brush it off later. So for the eyes, I'm gonna take this KOKIE Professional Peachy Queen eyeshadow palette, and it has the perfect like pinks. It has more matte shades. It has like 2 shimmer shades, but I really like the matte shades in this palette. I feel like it's perfect for Valentine's Day if you want to go with like the pink tones. So I'm gonna be taking some of these shades and apply them onto my crease. This color right here, it's kind of like a orange peachy color. It's a little darker, but I'm gonna take that and apply it onto my crease. And I'm going to focus this the outer corner and right on my crease. And just blend. And I really like this palette because you can apply a little bit and then just keep building it up. Just like the formula of the shadows, you can apply it very lightly and then build up that color and it's gonna pop. So just blending it on the crease, windshield wiping motions, and the outer corner. Same thing to the other side. I apply it to the outer corner first and then blend the color onto my crease. And it's okay if you get a little bit of color on the lid. But I'm sure you have an eyeshadow palette that has similar colors to this one. I'm gonna take this deeper purple color that's right next to the first color we use, and we're gonna apply this to the outer corners. They just really blend and melt onto the skin. So now I'm gonna take this actual dark plum color and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner with the same brush. We're just building on that outer corner color. So I'm just gonna take this clean brush. This one is by Sigma as well. It's the E25, and I'm just gonna blend out any harsh lines. Look how cute this palette is. I'm obsessed with this palette, you guys. I do need to edit the review I have for this collection, but I'm really obsessed with the shadow palettes, especially these two, and then there's a neutral one. But love the colors. I'm gonna take this beautiful like plummy pinkish color and I'm going to apply that all over the lids. These colors are super pigmented. In this palette there's only shimmer shades, but they're very popping pretty colors, like that green and that blue and that orange. They just look beautiful. But I'm going to be taking this color and eyeshadow brush by Mikasa Beauty. This is in the number E230. I love this brush for applying shimmer to the lid. You do not need to wet your brush to apply this color, but it's very pigmented and I feel like the pigment just goes all over the place. Some All Nighter by Urban Decay onto my brush. And then I'm kind of dragging that darker color a little bit onto the crease, like whatever's left on the brush. So with the angled side of the brush, I'm literally just dusting away that extra powder. So now for my waterline, I'm going to take this Urban Decay Love Drug eyeliner. And it's kind of like a purple plummy shade. I'm just taking this Sigma brush in E41 and I'm going to take this color, like the pink plum shade that we used, and I'm going to smoke out the bottom. So now I'm just gonna pop on some lashes. These are Selene lashes in violet. And I'm using this dark tone Kiss Lash glue, which is like the one with the little brush. I love Kiss Lash glue. I have very sensitive eyes and I feel like they always get teary. There's some lash bands that just don't work for my eyes, but these are like fuller lashes and very comfortable, so that's a huge plus for me. I am all about comfort. I'm gonna mix these two colors. They're both by Jordana Cosmetics. They're the Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lipstick. This one is called Cinnamon Toast, and they're definitely buildable, which is great because sometimes when you build up like two liquid lipsticks, they just get like really so I'm just gonna pop on these lashes. Guys, it makes such a difference in your makeup looks. So I'm going to take a little bit of this mascara by Rimmel London. This is a Scandal Eyes Wow Wing Mascara, and I'm just going to apply a little bit. I already had a little bit of mascara on my upper lashes. I'm going to apply MAC Give Me Sun onto my contour just to like top it off. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush. This is by Urban Decay. This is the highlight and blush palette, but I do like this pink shade right here for this look. I'm going to spray my face with this Rose Glow Mist by Pixi Beauty, and I'm just going to spray it all over my face. Now this one does add kind of like a dewy look to the skin. I always like to apply some type of setting spray or a spray that's going to make your makeup look more like skin, and I feel like this one's perfect for it. If you do have like really oily skin, I wouldn't recommend too much of this because it's going to look more dewy, but they do have like the regular makeup fixing spray, which is a lighter pink one. So I do want to show you guys how beautiful this highlight is. It's from the drugstore. It's CoverGirl, and this is in the palette Rose Rush. They do have more palettes like this with the highlighters, but the one with the pink, it's so pretty. So I'm going to take the lighter shade. It's kind of like a champagne highlight, but a little bit does go a long way. And I'm still a huge fan of highlight, you guys. Look how pretty. I love highlight, and I'm always going to love highlight. Always going to love highlight. I just love how it makes your skin look super glowy and dewy, and I just like it so much. A little bit on my nose and on my chin. So now I'm just gonna seal it in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This to last all night long. If you guys are gonna go on a date, if you're gonna go out with your girlfriends, whatever you're gonna do, you wanna make sure that your makeup lasts all day. So that is it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and also let me know what you guys are doing for Valentine's Day. Normally, I just stay home, I cook, and I spend time with my family. We watch movies together, super chill. Sometimes we'll go out to dinner. We just don't like to be like in very crowded places. We like to just be private and laugh and just have a great time. That's probably what I'll be doing. I'm not sure yet, but let me know what you guys do. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new here. Welcome to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And those of you who are subscribers, I love you guys so much. You guys are so supportive. Don't forget to head over to Sharleens' YouTube channel to check out her makeup looks. You guys are going to fall in love with the looks. And that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.